One is W zone, other is M zone, and third is I zone. W zone means world of five element. M zone means mind. And I zone means pure I, unmixed I, consciousness. Mind has no relation with the world. Don't bring the later Vedanta of Dakshinamurti. I'm talking of initial Vedanta. Please note one point, that the W zone should not be mixing with the M zone. This mixture of W zone with M zone is called attachment and aversion. I bring some issue in my mind to understand and drop it after that. That is useful. But somebody or some issue creeping in my mind and mixing into me and looting my freedom of thinking regarding that person or an issue or an incident, that is called Rag and Dvesh. Now the case has become serious. Now I am a very strong image about that person or incident is there in my mind. This is called false image. False image of W in M. Now this false image will bring in deluded I. And this is called worldliness, not world. World is not a problem. Hariyo. World is not a problem. Worldliness is a problem. Now I have about your image is there in my mind, and my delusive image and the world's wrong image both are mentally interacting. And because I like this image, now outside what I think about you, I want to make it true now. I go out in the world to make it true. I am working on imagination. Sadness is the name of some broken imagination. So what is meditation? I don't associate with the wrong image. At least fake images I don't work into. If at all I have to work with the image, I will have some kind of healthy image about you. He is the God's person. And healthy image about me also, I am the servant of God. This is a safe image. It can never be contradicted. Where dispassion comes into picture, I don't want to actualize something false. I don't want to work on impossibilities. Moment you work on impossibilities, you are definite to be disappointed. And there is where dispassion comes. Dispassion is I take away the sense of reality, sense of importance and sense of obtainability. Sukh buddhi, satya buddhi and prapta vibuddhi. वो प्राप्ति नहीं हो सकता. One definition of world is which cannot be obtained. The law is what will not be there in the future forever is not now. If you perceive it, it is an illusion that you have it. Thing is existing at the most, but you don't have it. This repeatedly training my mind to not to live with the joyful image of anybody. Let the world be at its own place. W zone should not come into M zone. And I zone should not come into M zone. Let I zone, M zone and W zone be at their own places. Dispossessing the delusive I and getting dispassionate from the unreal world in my mind, imaginary, that wrong image about somebody, that is called dispassion. They say 4 kinds of vairag is there. One is called yatman, second is called vyatirek, third is called Ekendriya, and fourth is called Vashikar. Yatman means some image about somebody, some incident is very good in my mind. And I have a delusive eye, and delusive eye is wanting the real, the imagined object's real form. And it is attracted towards that. Dispassion means, Yatman means you are putting effort to remove the attraction. Yatan kar rahe hain. You are failing. You are not successful. 25% success is there. I am a struggler. A struggler, understand, no? Who takes few steps falls. In his eyes, he has no confidence whether I will be really go ahead. This is called Yatman. Second Vairagi comes Vyatirek. Vyatirek means that Vyatirek means to differentiate. So where he can say, okay, this issue is under my mental control, this is not still my control. Third is called Ekendriya. Ekendriya means I have conquered most of it. But if the object or a person is in front of my eye, I get disturbed. And the last is Vashikar. Vashikar, which is the mention here. Vashikar means in the absence of the presence, it doesn't matter. That means you are out of it. This is called Vashikar. This is called Uparati actually also. It doesn't matter if it is there or not there. That means that Vasana also has gone away from my mind. Drishta Anushravik Vishay Vitrishnasya. There is a person. Drisht means seen and Anushravik means he heard. Seen and heard object Vitrishnasya. He has developed Vitrishna. Vitrishna means he can live without seeing a particular person, particular object, or hearing about a particular, that particularization is not there. Vashikar Sangya Vairagya. So when Vashikar Vairagya comes, then you are easy to meditate. Please note, the problem of meditation is when you sit for meditation and if you don't have this passion, what will happen? What will happen? Understand? I like X person or I don't like X person. And that person will definitely come in your mind in meditation. When that person or an object will come in your mind, you cannot say it's a thought. Inability to think it is an image in my mind only and not an object. This is called absence of dispassion. So one who does not have sufficient dispassion is not meant for long meditations. Don't make any image of anybody or any action through which you are a sufferer. So Drisht Anushravik Vishay Vitrishnasya Vashika. See, the word Vashikar has been used. Why Vashikar? Because the mind is totally under control. See the word here, Vashikar. How to develop? 4 things I said. Either there is extreme love for the Lord, extreme love for the Guru, extreme love for your sadhana, or last is satsang.